To set up Azure SQL Scale-Out, start by understanding the concept of horizontal partitioning, also known as sharding, which allows you to distribute data across multiple databases to improve scalability and performance. First, identify the shard key, which is the column that determines how data is distributed across the databases. This is typically a unique identifier, such as a customer ID or order ID. Next, create a shard map, which is a dictionary that maps each shard key to a specific database. This can be done using the Azure SQL Database Elastic Database Client Library, which provides a set of APIs for managing shards and shard maps. Now, create a set of shard databases, each containing a subset of the overall data. These databases can be created using the Azure portal, Azure CLI, or PowerShell. After creating the shard databases, populate them with data using a process called data ingestion. This can be done using tools such as Azure Data Factory, Azure Databricks, or custom scripts. To manage the shards and shard map, use the Azure SQL Database Elastic Database Client Library to create a shard map manager. This provides a centralized way to manage the shards and shard map, and to perform operations such as adding or removing shards. Finally, use the shard map to connect to the correct shard database from your application. This can be done using the Elastic Database Client Library, which provides a set of APIs for connecting to shards and executing queries. Best practices for setting up Azure SQL Scale-Out include using a consistent naming convention for the shard databases, monitoring the performance of each shard, and using automation tools to manage the shards and shard map. By following these steps and best practices, you can set up Azure SQL Scale-Out to improve the scalability and performance of your database, and to support large-scale applications and datasets.